What's going on, YouTube, my fellow Let's Stack community members? Silver is finally at $76. Hit 76.62 earlier today. Now's a good time to give Argent Appeal some love for being the first commenter on the last video. His comment was nice pickups. It all adds up, stack on. Silver does not seem to be slowing down, and it should continue in my opinion. Hey, Argent Appeal, in my opinion, it's going to keep going up as well. And as I actually edit this video and to give Argent Appeal some love, silver is currently sitting at 79.57. And yes, this is still the day after Christmas. This is recorded the day after Christmas, and the price this morning was 76, and now it's 79.57. Just wanted to add that in there. So now let's get back to the video. So gold hit 43.32, platinum sitting around 24.40 and some change, and palladium hitting 19.33 and some change. If you guys attacking any palladium, platinum, silver, gold, if you are, leave it down in the comment section. And if you didn't know that we have a giveaway, we actually hit 101 people at 500 where we'll do our first giveaway. So we're only 399 away. And all you got to do is be like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, you're in the giveaway. But let's unpack something fun. This we got the other day. And I didn't think it was too terrible of a price. Bought it for a round spot, maybe a little over, but I'll show you what it is. Bam. Honestly, for the price, you can't beat it. It's an uncirculated 1924 peace dollar. Check that sucker out. Tell me that is not gorgeous. Everything about it. I mean, all of it. The whole coin itself is absolutely gorgeous. But no, I mean, silver in itself, it's a very valuable commodity. All the big tech industries need it. It's in almost every battery, solar panel, electronic device that you use. It's in everything. So, I mean, the price of it, you can almost guarantee is not going to go down, especially with such a high demand. The military needs it to make artillery. If you want an AI revolution like everybody's hoping for, well, a lot of these people are hoping for, you need silver. COMEX is draining vaults because people are starting to wake up to the COMEX being a false system, taking, 3 or 4 different people's monies on their system and putting it to 1 ounce of silver. Look at this. This was another pickup. This was a $98 pickup. You got 1 ounce of silver, and you got 4 dimes, silver dimes. Beautiful silver dimes at that. Gorgeous. This was a Christmas gift, and this is probably one of my favorite pieces right here in my silver collection. Absolutely beautiful. What'd you guys get for Christmas? Did any of you guys get some silver, gold, maybe some platinum for Christmas? This is what we got in the last video. This is actually not staying in the stack. This will be going to somebody very dear to me, somebody who's retiring. And this was 2 videos ago. These we both bought for under melt. For even at the time, not even right now. At the time, we bought them under melt. The proof was in the pudding. We put it out there. We showed the receipts. Every time we get receipts with our stuff, we always show receipts. Yeah, these were, I got to take it out of this case. The case was a little bit too small. I forced it in there. This one will be going in a case for sure. Just so I can prove it's not a 2024. Bam, 1924. Check that sucker out. Beautiful, uncirculated condition. They wanted 65 for it, and we bought it for under. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. So, yeah, I mean, with people wanting to take their physical silver out of the COMEX, with, everybody needing it for their militaries and needing it for their, iPhones, computers, TVs, anything really for AI. You need it for your AI, and we're having a big AI boom. I think, honestly, go down in the comment section, tell me what you think, but I think we're going to see easily by mid-March $100 silver, maybe even $150 silver. You hit probably around June, and I could see close to $220 silver. I might be bullish on the subject. I might be a little crazy saying that, but I truly believe silver has a huge future, and by 2030, I think silver's gonna do what gold did back in, I want to say it was 1980s, maybe 1990s, when it just went from 70 some dollars an ounce straight up to like $900 an ounce. So go down to the comment section, tell me what you think. This is just a quick little video, some unboxing, some stuff that we got for Christmas, and a little bit of silver and gold talk. The prices today, they're looking very great. Awesome. They're actually looking beautiful. Everybody who's been stacking has been waiting for this day of just seeing the bull run of silver go up, 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 up. And I'm glad we're finally seeing it. Go down, let me know what you think. And if you haven't, definitely comment, like, subscribe, because you will be entered into a giveaway to get platinum, gold, silver, maybe some gold backs, maybe some gold foils. Who knows how generous I'm feeling that day and what you're going to get. But other than that, Let's Stack Metals is out. Peace.